Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to web scrape data from a website and export that data to Excel file. This is a very useful extension. So if you do want to export some data from a website, literally web scraping. So this is the extension. 100,000 users have installed it. So click on Add to Chrome. So many a times you do need to scrape some data from a website. It can be products, tabular data, images, text, it can be anything. So this extension is quite useful. So once it is get installed, you simply activate this. So now if I go to any website, let's suppose I go to freemediatools.com and I do need to scrape all these tools and store it in an Excel file. So what we can do, I can simply click on this extension. So right here you have these options. If you do want to extract the whole or part, tabs or deep extract, you can even basically extract only an area. So let's suppose I only want to extract this. You select that and run. So now the scraping, basically you selected a single element and then this extension will try to scrape everything. So now basically you can, so now as you see, everything has been scraped and you can download your file. For downloading it, you do need to sign up on this website Listly. You can even extract everything. So now everything has been scraped and then you can download this file. So you can create an account right here. So now as you see, get this Excel, click on that and exporting. And this is your Excel file which is ready. Everything has been exported, as you see that, free tools, everything. So we extracted all the labels of all the tools in Excel file. So this is a very useful extension guys. Definitely install this Google Chrome extension. It actually scrapes everything. So definitely check this out. Listly web scraping.